Oh my gosh! What the heck? Fuzz Flood watch!
For all of southern New England except for the outer islands. From Thursday morning through late
Heck
Thursday
yeah!
night, rain will
Bring it on,
overspread
you
southern
got!
New England tonight and become heavy at times on Thursday. By the time the rain tapers off by early Thursday evening, 1 to 2 inches of rain
The
are
heck?
anticipated.
Forgot to turn these on, darn it!
The heavy rain combined with snowmelt will result in the potential for areas of
7.
significant urban street flooding. In addition, some small river and stream flooding is also possible. Winter weather advisory remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Like spotty freezing rain, ice accumulations of a light glaze. Areas affected include western Franklin, Massachusetts, eastern Franklin, Massachusetts, western Hampshire, Massachusetts, and western Hampton, Massachusetts counties. The primary area of concern is in the high three or above 1,500 feet. Hazardous winter weather conditions are expected until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Temperatures will rise above freezing by mid to late evening.
Oh, come on. Shut up with the unread message.
Here are the 3 p.m. observations for the Hartford metropolitan area. The temperature was 37 degrees. The dew point.
Oh, I forgot to turn these two on. I forgot to set them to voice. Who knows? Might get another one again.
From this evening to late Saturday night, or until the warning is canceled. At 3 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 6.3 feet. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. It's forecast. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will rise above flood stage by tonight and continue to rise to near 7.5 feet by tomorrow evening. The river will fall below flood stage by Saturday before midnight. Hiscox Road in Westerly. Along Route 3, flooding occurs at some homes in French Village in Hopkinton. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for northern New England and southwest Massachusetts, including Hartford and Springfield, issued at 1:19 p.m. Thursday. Northeastern Massachusetts, western Barnstable County in southeastern Massachusetts, Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, eastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, Newport County in Rhode Island, Bristol County in Rhode Island, Washington County in Rhode Island, Kent County in Rhode Island, Providence County in Rhode Island, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:22 p.m. Eastern, rain was falling over the area. Indicated that heavy rain was falling over the area. The heavy rain will result in some significant street flooding. Basement flooding is also possible. In addition, some rivers and streams will likely come out of their banks. In Rhode Island, 1 to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Elsewhere, rainfall is approaching or exceeding an inch or more is expected. Some locations that will experience flooding include Boston, Providence, Lowell, Cambridge, New Bedford, Brockton, Quincy, Lynn, Fall River, Newton, Warwick, Cranston, Lawrence, Somerville, Pawtucket, Framingham, Haverhill, Waltham, Malden, and Brookline.
Channel 7.
Massachusetts has issued a flood warning for the Sudbury River at Saxonville until Saturday morning, or until the warning is canceled. At 3:15 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 9.4 feet. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will rise above flood stage by late this afternoon and continue to rise to near 10.4 feet by this evening. The river will fall below flood stage by early Saturday morning. The river in Wayland, including a portion of Shore Road and Helen Island Road near Hurd Pond. For the following county, New London, Connecticut, and Washington, Rhode Island.
Wow.
The National Weather Service in Boston, Norton, Massachusetts has issued a flood warning for the Potomac River at Westerly. From this evening to late Saturday night, or until the warning is canceled. At 3 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 6.3 feet. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will rise above flood stage by tonight and continue to rise to near 7.5 feet by tomorrow evening. The river will fall below flood stage by Saturday before midnight. Impact at 8.0 feet. Flood waters approach lowest lying homes along Hiscox Road in Westerly. Along Route 3, flooding occurs at some homes in French Village in Hopkinton. Flash flood watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Until Friday morning, or until the warning is canceled. At 3:30 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 6.2 feet. Flood stage is 6.5 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will rise above flood stage by this evening and continue to rise to near 6.6 feet by this evening. The river will fall below flood stage by after midnight tonight. Can be expected. Flooding encroaches on businesses near the junction of River and Depot Streets in Pittsburgh. Wind advisory remains in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon. All streams for rain and snow melt in eastern Ulster County in east central New York, Dutchess County in east central New York, Columbia County in east central New York, eastern Albany County in east central New York. Until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain transitioning to snow, and snow melt that will cause urban and small stream flooding in the is also possible. Some road closures and basement flooding are likely in the warning area. Law enforcement report. Seeds for future of 59. Falls, Hudson, Catskill, Socrates, Rennebeck, Pauling, Chatham, Nassau, Delmer, Latham, and Wallkill. In hilly terrain there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Please report flooding to the National Weather Service by email at alb.stormreport@no.gov, on Facebook at www.facebook.com/NWSAlbany or Twitter at NWSAlbany. Synopsis. Berkshire County in western Mass has issued a flood warning for the Housatonic River at Falls Village.
Whoa!
From Friday evening until late Saturday night. At 5 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 4.9 feet. Flood stage is 7 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is forecast to reach flood stage by 7 p.m. Friday and forecast to continue to rise to near 7.2 feet around 7 a.m. Saturday. The river is forecast to fall below flood stage after 7 p.m. Saturday. Begins to flood, and water reaches the field of White Hollow Farms near Limerick Road, and is at the edge of the Housatonic Valley Regional High School fields. The flash flood watch continues for portions of northern Connecticut, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island, including the following areas. For the following county, Litchfield, Connecticut. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flood warning for the Housatonic River at Falls Village. From Friday
Wow,
evening
it's the
until
same
Saturday
one.
night.
Took him like
At
10
5
minutes to
p.m.
do this
Thursday,
one.
the stage was 4.9 feet. Flood stage is 7 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is forecast to reach flood stage by 7 p.m. Friday and forecast to continue to rise to near 7.2 feet around 7 a.m. Saturday. The river is forecast to fall below flood stage after 7 p.m. Saturday. Impact at 7 feet, flood stage. The park above Falls Village Dam begins to flood, and water reaches the field of White Hollow Farms near Limerick Road, and is at the edge of the Housatonic Valley Regional High School fields. Here is the latest weather map.